Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to give you a couple tips when you're spring cleaning, a couple things you probably miss, most people miss. And if you stick around to the end, I got a big tip, could save you a bunch of money, and most people don't do it. So, stick around. First up, we got the microwave. You think I clean the microwave? But do you really? Check out these two filters underneath. It's a GE microwave. I would assume most are similar to this. You gotta clean these bad boys. They get a little greasy when you turn that exhaust fan on. And so to get these out, you're just gonna push them forward a little bit and then pull out. Check out your pull-out game. Can help you in the long run. And take the other one out, same way. Try to get a little focus in, show you how to do it. Oh yeah. Push and pull. Nice and simple. Now tank those over to the sink. Get yourself some degreaser. I had Simple Green laying around. It says to soak it for a minute or two. So I did it for a minute. And get the little brush out, get a little scrubbing. Get that grease off there. That nasty stuff. Ain't nobody like the grease. And a little warm water helps out. A little therapeutic here. You're just brushing off all those good nights of good cooking. So reverse the pull-out game, and you're back in. And then we're going to be off to our next tip, the dishwasher. Did you know that this thing has some filters in it? If you didn't, well, you're about to learn. First, you're going to need to take out that bottom rack. Nice and simple, nothing crazy there. And then some of your dishwashers, the spinny-majig, I don't know what you want to call it, the bottom sprayer will pop out. Mine doesn't. I learned that quickly. Then you want to take out your filter that you'll be cleaning, and then the other filter. What you're going to do here, oh yeah, you can, look at that. It's good old grease. You could just put the little dishwasher tabs in there that are supposed to clean it, but hey, this is simple. Don't cost any money, and you got everything you need right there in the sink to clean it. Now at the sink, you're going to take your filter. I'm sure they're all going to be a little different. This one pops into two pieces. You can see all the little nastiness in there that we got to get out of there. Try to hit it with some hot water. Bring in the Dawn Power Wash. Give everything a nice little spritz. It didn't seem to be working. So I thought, eureka. The good old toothbrush. Get in there, clean that screen out. This will prevent your dishwasher from backing up, getting clogs down there. If you've ever opened your dishwasher and had a puddle at the bottom, you might have had something stuck in your filters. This dishwasher is only 3 or 4 months old, so it wasn't too nasty, I'm sure. If you pull yours out, it's been in there for a couple years, you might find some science projects down there. Let me know in the comments what you find down there. Could be interesting. Just take the toothbrush, give everything a little scrub down, and then we'll put it back together. Pretty simple stuff here, but you could be missing it, and it could cause trouble in the long run. Back at the dishwasher here, we're gonna take the filter, put it back together. Like I said, yours might be a little bit different, but they're all fairly simple. I got faith you can put it back together. So first, you want to put the screen in, the little arrow, even though it's pretty simple. Slide that bad boy in there first. And then we're gonna put the filter in, just a little twist. Boom. And back with the old bottom rack. Slide it in, And job done. So the big grand finale, big tip. You must clean refrigerators coils. They suck in dust. Rarely do people clean them, and they look disgusting, and they get very, very dusty, as you can see by mine. And I probably cleaned this one 3 months ago. They just love dust. Dust magnet. You can see by my fridge, like I said, this is only 3 months. Look at that. It's disgusting. And it just makes your fridge work that much harder. And we know stuff isn't built like it used to be. I mean, the average fridge nowadays probably doesn't last more than 10 years. So if we can just clean these coils out, we might extend it a year or two. Save yourself a couple $1,000 and not have to buy a new one. So what I did is I came from the back. So you can just take these 7 or 8 screws off the back here. Not a great shot, the back of my head, but you get the gist of it. I like to do it this way just because you can get at the coils from the back, and you get to use power tools. Who doesn't like that? So I got my DeWalt little shop blower here. This is gonna make quite a bit of a mess, but it's fun. I mean, look at all that dust just come flying out of there. It was quite the mess, but at the end, just swept up the kitchen, not a big deal. The benefits far outweigh the 5 minutes it took to sweep up all the dust. So what you're here, you're just trying to get everything blown out. I mean, you could see all the dust coming out of there. It's pretty satisfying, I would say, if you like to clean. I mean, I'm not a big cleaner, but I like to save money. I think everybody does. And this is a easy way to do it. And you get to play with power tools. Let me take you down in there and show you what we got going on. So you can see this compressor. There's a big shield in there, so you really couldn't stick your vacuum in there. But you just stick the little nozzle down there, pull the trigger a couple times, you can see all that dust just flying around. Oh yeah, look at the mess that made. Oh, that was under there. Yummy. And just look at the difference here. I mean, this maybe took me 10-15 minutes. Probably be a little quicker for you because my fridge is in a cubby hole. It's quite annoying to take out. But you can see the fins pretty much clean as could be compared to where we were. Yeah, it's a night and day difference here. Those fins are ready to catch more dust again, but make your fridge run a little bit easier. You can also, if you don't feel like taking your fridge apart, take your vacuum, take the front piece off. You can hit it with the Swiffer duster, or you could even get a toothbrush. It's just, I found the blower way more effective. It just blew everything out of there. Didn't have to get on my hands and knees and scrub away with the toothbrush. If you enjoyed the video, I got plenty of more. Check some others out. Thanks for watching.